here is the product knowledge of this mock call. I want you to take a minute to at least familiarize all of these information so you will be able to better understand the mock call. And now let's begin. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Ring. Hi, thank you for calling Power Up. This is Candice. How may I help you?
Hey, did you guys increase your rate for unlimited package?
Not recently, no. In fact, we have not changed our rate since 2010.
Oh, really? Because this month, you guys are charging me $53 instead of 50.
Really? That's weird. That's not supposed to happen. But I could check your account for you though and see what the charge was for. I just need your account number and your full name.
Yes, please. I would appreciate it. So, my full name is Cersei Bannister. Cersei is spelled as C-E-R, S for sorry, E-I. And my last name is Bannister, like the side of a staircase,
Think.
with a single N.
Okay, thank you. And your account number?
Account number? What account number? I don't have it. Couldn't you check using my name? Because my name's quite unique, so you should be able to pull it up without getting duplicates.
For security purposes, I would need both your full name and your account number. You should find your account number at the top right corner of your billing statement.
Okay, let me just go ahead and check my email. Hang on.
Sure.
Okay, I got the email. Where do I find it?
It's at the top right corner of the email. It should start with 1 2 and it's composed of 6 digits.
Got it. So my account number is 123456.
Thank you. Let me just pull up your account. Give me one moment.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I got it. So, according to your September billing statement, you were charged an extra $3 due to the late payment of your August bill. So, the due date was on August 15th and it was paid on September 1st.
Wait, what? What are you talking about? You're charging penalties now? I didn't know that.
Yes, Cersei, this was written on the terms and conditions when you signed up with us.
Ah, I see. So let me just get this straight. You buried an important piece of information in a place where, let's admit it, nobody even reads. And now you're expecting me to pay for a penalty that I'm not even aware of, except for the person who wrote your terms and conditions. I mean, help me understand. Because I'm at a loss here. I really am. You don't seriously expect me to pay for the penalty, do you?
We understand that could happen
I mean,
sometimes.
it's not a big amount, but I think it's just disappointing, really. I have been with you guys for 4 years now, and this is the only time I paid late.
Yeah.
Not intentionally, mind you, because I would have paid on time if it was up to me, but I had an issue with my bank. It took them days to fix it. It's just disappointing. One mistake, without warning, poof, my $3 went down the drain. You know what I mean?
I
It's
understand.
disappointing. And to think that I have been with you guys for 4 years now, there must be something you can do about this.
Totally, Cersei. I understand. I honestly don't read the terms and conditions myself when I sign up for services. And
Exactly.
I know that our management understands this. So that's why, because this is your first time getting this penalty and you have been with us a long time now, I can state in your account that you have been with us since 2015. We can definitely give you a one time exception and cancel the $3 penalty from your charge.
Oh, thank you. That's exactly what I need. Thank you so much, Candice.
No problem at all, Cersei. We give a leeway for cases like this. And also, I have to remind you that this is only going to be a one time exception because this is your first time and you were not aware of this penalty. We are more than happy to exempt you from this charge.
Of course, I completely understand. This will never happen again. In my 4 years of being with you guys, I have never been late with my payments before, except for this one, of course. So thank you so much for resolving this issue for me. I am forever your loyal customer.
Oh, that's certainly music to my ears, Cersei. That's really nice to hear. Thank you. So, what I'm going to do is I will just submit the request to our billing department. Would it be okay if I put you on hold for 2 minutes to do that?
Absolutely. Take your time.
Thank you. Thanks for waiting, Cersei.
Hi, Candace.
So I have already submitted the request to cancel the $3 penalty from your bill. You can now pay your bill for $50 instead of 53.
Perfect. I can't thank you enough, Candace. You have been very helpful and very understanding.
My pleasure, Cersei. Is there anything else that I can help you with today?
Oh, yes. Actually, could you send me a confirmation email confirming what we just talked about in this call? Could you maybe confirm in your email that I would only pay $50 instead of 53 and that you will cancel the $3? Could you do that for me, please?
Absolutely. I will send it to you within 2 to 3 minutes after this call to the email on file, which is cersei@casterlyrock.com.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Candace, and so sorry for the trouble. That's all I need for today.
No trouble at all, Cersei. No trouble at all. If that's all you need for today, then you have a fantastic day. Thank you for calling Power Up.
You too, Candace. Have a fantastic shift. Bye.
I will. Bye. If you need a detailed explanation as to why Candace was saying the things that she was saying during this call, click the link on the screen. This is where I explain the call flow step by step and address any confusion and questions that you might have about this mock call. All right, that is all for today. Bye.